Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today we bring the Mercedes Benz AMG E53 Hybrid review. For decades, the letters A, M, and G on the back of an E-Class meant one thing: a thundering, unapologetic V8. So, has AMG traded its soul for a battery pack? Or is this just the next chapter for performance? Today, we're finding out if the new E53 Hybrid has what it takes. This is the new Mercedes-AMG E53 Hybrid, and it's landing in a world where the legendary V8-powered E63 is no longer. The E63 was a beast, famous for its raw character and that sledgehammer performance. On paper, this new car seems ready to step up. But we're here to see if it has the feel, the emotion, the soul of a proper AMG. Exterior, and the numbers game. Walking around it, the E53 certainly looks the part. The body is wider and more muscular. It has that signature AMG Panamericana grille, and out back, you still get 4 proud exhaust tips, a clear promise of performance. But the real story is what's under the hood. It's an AMG-enhanced 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6, but now it's paired with a powerful electric motor. Together, they produce a combined 577 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque. But if you get the optional AMG Dynamic Plus package, a race start mode temporarily boosts that to a massive 604 horsepower. Those are staggering numbers for a 6-cylinder E-Class. But all this hybrid tech adds weight. It's a heavy car, with some estimates putting it over 5,200 pounds, which is a lot of mass for the engine and chassis to manage. The driving experience. This is where the E53 really shows its dual personality. Around town, it's a silent, smooth, and comfortable luxury sedan. It's a proper plug-in hybrid with a usable battery capacity of about 21.2 kilowatt-hours. Mercedes says you can get an all-electric range of over 40 miles. Meaning you could genuinely do your daily commute in a 600 horsepower AMG. The acceleration is breathtaking. That instant shove from the electric motor is immediate and relentless, filling any gap before the turbo kicks in. It's not the mechanical roar of a big V8, it's a clean, digital, and frankly brutal launch. Some independent tests have seen 0 to 60 times as quick as 3.3 seconds. It is devastatingly quick. The inline-6 engine is silky smooth and sings a decent tune at high RPMs, but let's be honest, it's not a V8. AMG pipes some sound into the cabin to enhance the experience, but it can't replicate that raw, cross-plane rumble we all knew and loved. Interior and technology. Inside, it's pure modern Mercedes. You're sitting in a tech lounge on wheels, with gorgeous ambient lighting, premium materials, and screens stretching across the dash, especially if you spring for the optional super screen. It feels more like a flagship luxury cruiser than a raw muscle sedan, and that's a core part of its identity. This is an AMG that doesn't need to shout all the time. It's comfortable, refined, and packed with tech for the 99% of your driving life. But does all that sophistication water down the AMG experience? Is this Jekyll and Hyde personality what buyers are looking for? Let me know in the comments if you think a quiet AMG is a true AMG. Addressing the V8 killer? So, let's get back to the big question. Is this the V8 killer? If you're just looking at the numbers, it gets shockingly close. It has the horsepower and the straight-line punch to go toe-to-toe with the old V8 E63s. But a V8 AMG was never just about the numbers. It was about the drama, the noise, the feeling that you were trying to tame a wild animal. The E53 is different. It's a calculated, high-tech weapon. It's more precise, more sophisticated, and honestly, a whole lot easier to live with every day. It doesn't replace the V8's soul, it offers a completely different one. It's like trading a sledgehammer for a scalpel. The Mercedes-AMG E53 Hybrid is a deeply impressive machine. It's a car that can be a silent EV commuter one moment, and a 600 horsepower super sedan the next. It offers a range of abilities that the old V8s just couldn't touch. So no, it's not a V8 killer. Because it's not trying to be a V8. This is the start of a new, electrified chapter for AMG. It's less of a raw muscle car and more of a luxury missile. If you're an old-school fan chasing the sound and fury of the past, this might not be your car. But if you want one vehicle that truly does it all, blending blistering performance with real-world efficiency and cutting-edge tech, then the E53 isn't just a worthy contender. It's a compelling look at the future of the performance car.